variant is that there are different variations of color in regards to painting a vehicle. For example, red is not just red. There could be 7 different variants or 7 different shades of that red paint code. Let's take, for example, green or yellow or white. There could be multiple variations or multiple variants or shades of that specific color. So it's really important that you understand that not all colors are going to be the same. But it's our job as the collision repair professional that you chose to make sure that it looks and matches the same as it did before the accident. So, Danny, what are some considerations that we need to think of as a collision repair professional in order to give that vehicle owner their car back to pre-accident condition?
Yeah, so when you pull up that paint code, the computer system is going to give you possibly some multiple variants, and you're going to have to do some tinting. So when you mix that preliminary paint, you're going to have to tint that color. You may have to do some adjustments to the front facing. Maybe when you look at it from the side, so there's different variants to these paint colors. Again, different effects of paint can be like the lighting conditions. You have natural sunlight, which is always best to view a paint in. But in the case that you don't have that available to you, we have to use color correction lighting. So again, factory paint and refinish paint are 2 different processes. The paint's not always available from the manufacturer, so we have to do the tinting at our shop, using professional paint products that are recommended by the vehicle manufacturer. So again, it's really important that you have a professional use the right paint system and also have the right skills and techniques to match that existing paint on your car. If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.